In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to stream NFL app on TV. Let's get started. To stream content from the NFL app on your TV, you first need to download the official NFL app directly onto your compatible TV or streaming device and activate it using a web browser. Keep in mind that the NFL blocks casting or screen mirroring from mobile devices for certain live regular season games, so trying to mirror your phone may result in a black screen. To get started, turn on your TV and open its marketplace, such as the Roku Channel Store, Amazon Fire TV, Apple App Store, or Google Play Store. On support smart TVs, you can also use the device built-in App Store. Search for NFL app and download it. After installing the app, open it on a TV and go to the settings gear icon. Select sign in and the app should display a unique 8-character activation code along with a QR code. Keep the screen open while you complete the activation process. Next, use a phone, tablet, or computer and open a web browser. Go to NFL.com or scan the QR code displayed on your TV with the phone's camera. Enter the activation code exactly as it appears on your TV and select Submit. Then sign in using the NFL account credentials associated with your NFL Plus subscription. Once your account is successfully verified, the NFL app on your TV should automatically refresh and sign you in, allowing you to access the content available with subscription. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.